Okay, this is Oscar. I have a video of him earlier. I bought him on October 20th, and he wasn't eating, he wasn't doing anything, so I put him in the hospital on the 25th. Today is the 28th. I had him at 5 gallons, then I moved him up to 10, now 12. I put him in that Methylene Blue for 4 days, and then I brought up the temperature, I brought up the water level and the temperature up to 80, and I've been putting this in there, right? This was on, I put this is the second day that I've been using this, and I've been feeding him this food, which he has been eating some, because now he's getting green poop. Before it was nothing. And I put a garlic clove in there. See it there, and there's the food. And if he doesn't eat it by almost the end of the day, I suck it up with a turkey baster. Look, he's been swimming around for 2 hours. I changed his water. I did 50% water change. Well, almost 50%, because it was right here, and I brought it all the way down to here, and I filled it back up. And I put 1 teaspoon of Epsom salts per 5 gallons. So I replaced it. I did 1 teaspoon and then 1/4. Look at him. I can't believe it. And he had white scum. I don't know if it'll be on the video, the previous video, but he had a white scum all over him. He had white all over his, I guess you'd call that a ween. I don't know. I think that's what it was called, but up on his head. And when I had him in the Methylene Blue, he was shedding that stuff. It was like all this scum stuff just floating all over the water. It was really gross. We didn't know what it was like. It was like a chemical peel. But I've been putting him in this other stuff, the Pimafix, and look at him. It is so awesome. He's been swimming for 2 hours now, non-stop. That means he's feeling better. So I'm going to keep him in the hospital for probably 10 more days. When he starts eating and he eats his gel food, because he won't eat the gel food. When he starts eating the gel food, and then I'll think about putting him in the 55 gallon. That's when I will do water changes without Epsom salts. And you don't want to put him in there right after if he's in Epsom salts. You have to wean him off of it, because you can kill him. There he is. He's got a little red dot or black dot on his head, so that's why we put him in this stuff. We thought maybe he had a parasite. But he's a pet shop boy. I don't put any pet shop boys in my parent tank. He stay here, and then I put him in the 55, which is the quarantine tank, and then after the quarantine tank, then he gets to go in the 125 tank. He's showing off. Isn't he cute? He thinks he's a shark. Okay, I'll keep you posted.